This one simple mistake can cost you guys millions. Don't let it happen to you, all right? Because it's happening to businesses every single day. Now imagine losing 80%, dude. 80% of your potential customers simply because of one negative review. Yes, you heard it right. One bad review could be the reason you're missing out on thousands, if not millions of dollars in revenue, okay? Now what if I told you though, that there's a way to supercharge your marketing, save time, and skyrocket your results, all without breaking a single sweat? Because at Dipilato Automations, we are redefining AI marketing to help you work smarter, not harder. However, here, we like to do both of them for your benefit. So stick around, because today, we are revealing some transformative strategies, real-world benefits, and actionable steps to revolutionize your marketing efforts with the power of AI. So, let's get into the video now, all right? With the initial setup, branding elements, and then the customization of it. All right, so we're going to be introducing the power of AI in marketing, the paradigm shift, the new model of thinking. By leveraging AI, it is transforming marketing by automating tasks, analyzing the data, and personalizing content. Now imagine your campaign just effortlessly reaching the right audience at the right time with customized messages. Now, Dipilato Automations, this is the key, because we offer a robust suite of AI-powered tools designed to simplify and enhance your marketing efforts. It's very user-friendly, and the advanced features empower you to achieve impactful results. All right, but what is AI marketing anyway, right? It goes beyond automation. AI marketing goes way beyond that, right? It leverages intelligent algorithms to analyze data, predict customer behavior, and personalize marketing experiences, right? So the benefits of AI, think personalized email campaigns, targeted ads, and the AI-powered chatbots, and DMs, and more. These intelligent assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide instant support, and personalize every single interaction. The future, dude, it's right now. Don't wait for everyone else to get ahead, okay? By harnessing AI, you can create more engaging, effective, and personalized marketing campaigns. The future of marketing is driven by data, intelligence, and those customer experiences. All right, so getting started with us here at Dipilato Automations. Number 1, create an account. Start your journey with Dipilato Automations by just creating that account, just like I said. The platform is designed to be user-friendly. It makes it so easy to navigate and start setting up your campaigns. Number 2, explore all the features, all right? Familiarize yourself with the platform's functionalities, because we offer various tools from email marketing to chatbot automation to lead scoring and analytics. You can select the features that best suit your needs. Number 3, customize your workflows. Tailor your marketing workflows to your specific goals and your audience. This allows you to create customized campaigns, automate processes, and segment your audience for targeted outreach. So we need to leverage the AI tools for powerful engagement, okay? With the chatbots, like I previously said, okay? These chatbots are AI-powered virtual assistants that engage with your customers in real time. They can handle simple queries, provide instant support, and gather valuable customer data. All right, and they do some predictive analytics, and we also have automation, because by automating marketing tasks, it frees up your time and your valuable resources. From email marketing to social media posting, we automate repetitive tasks and allowing you to focus on strategy and your creativity, all right? Most important. All right, so remember, wisdom in using the tools. Now I'm going to tell you Proverbs 4:7. The wise in heart will receive commands, but a babbling fool will be utterly crushed. All right, so Number one, we have seen improved conversion rates. Number two, we personalized the experiences. Number three, we have the AI-powered optimization, okay? Ultimately, increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improved the return on your investment. These results are so measurable and the data does not lie, okay? 25% was the rate of conversion increase. All right? Thanks to this software, the AI-powered personalization, our website conversion rate saw a remarkable 25% increase, leading to more leads and customers. And we reduced costs by 40%. And our customer satisfaction went up to 95%. All right? So, here are the key takeaways and your next steps. Take control of your reputation today. All right? Drive measurable results. Okay? Automate your tasks. Personalize your experiences. All right? AI is revolutionizing marketing by automating the tasks, personalizing experiences, and driving measurable results. So here at Dipilato Automations, it provides a very powerful platform for harnessing the potential of AI in not just your marketing efforts, but all around business efforts. Don't let bad reviews and missed opportunities or misleads cost you thousands, if not millions. Take charge of your reputation and your lead generation with our powerful automation tools. And you can even start for free with our reputation audit now. So take the next step. Explore the possibilities of AI and automation. Embrace the future, especially of marketing, with us here at Dipilato Automations. Now visit the website right here, all right, and you will get a free audit, and you can see how automation can transform your business. Don't wait. Your reputation is way too valuable to leave the chance. Now, if you guys found this video helpful, or you need to know some additional steps, don't hesitate to reach out. Either go to our website or down in the comments. But also, I'm looking forward to see you in one of these next videos over here or over here, where they decide to link them. Thank you so very much for watching, and God bless. Have a great day, and don't wait. Act now.